Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. My name is Liba. I am working as a picker at an e-commerce company. I live in a small apartment. I like to meet new people. I want to learn speaking English. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I have breakfast. After that, I go to work. I try to stay active all day. I work at an e-commerce company. My job is to pick products for orders. I have many coworkers. We help each other. I like my job. I have good friends. We talk and laugh together. Sometimes we go for a walk. We share stories and jokes. I feel happy with them. My family is important to me. I live with my parents and siblings. We eat dinner together every night. We care for each other. I love my family. I like to read books. I read in my free time. Books help me learn new things. I enjoy reading stories. Reading makes me happy. I visit the park often. The park is green and peaceful. I like to sit on a bench and relax. Children play around me. The fresh air is nice. I go running in the evening. It keeps me fit and healthy. I enjoy running in the park. It helps me relax. I feel strong after running. I walk every day. Walking is good for my health. I enjoy walking in the morning. It gives me energy for the day. I feel fresh after a walk. I like to go for a morning walk. The air is fresh and cool. I see birds and trees. Walking in the morning makes me feel good. It is a peaceful time. I eat lunch at work. I bring food from home. Sometimes I eat with my coworkers. We talk about work and life. It is a nice break. In the evening, I relax. I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I go for a walk. I like to take it easy after a busy day. It helps me unwind. I enjoy weekends. I have more free time. I can meet friends or spend time with family. Sometimes I go shopping or visit new places. Weekends are fun. I am learning to speak English. I practice every day. I use simple sentences and words. I try to talk with others in English. I am getting better. I want to speak English well. I want to be more confident. I plan to keep practicing. My goal is to speak clearly and easily. I believe I can do it.